Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Go forth by foot, on hands and knees, heart and soul, keeping the close watch, while on the way to the Lord of Cage. Quicken your pace, even if there be a lack of oaths. Don't equate any of them with Punhu, says Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. In the Melody of Mazuri, Sur Mazuri, one of the chapters dedicated to Sasui, his most prominent Surmi, his most prominent role model character, sung in his poetry. And this was a passage from Melodies of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Volume 2, translated by Agha Salim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, the creator of all the universes, the creator of all the creatures dwelling among all the universes, not only on Earth, not only on the other planets of our galaxy, but within all the universes. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, the radio which depicts the beauty of sin, the sorrows of sin, the happinesses and joys of sin, the fragrance of sin, the aroma of the music and art and culture and anthropology and archaeology and literature, history and agriculture and economy of sin, and everything related to sin is disseminated by this radio, which is the Radio Voice of Sin London. And this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show webcasted from Radio Voice of Sin London every Saturday. And this is me, Yasir Qazi, with edition number 42 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. Please accept from my side, Assalamu alaikum, Haq Mawjood, Barhaq Mawjood, Sach Mawjood, Sat Mawjood, Sindh Mawjood, Barhaq Mawjood. Namaste, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Mujrosa, Sat Sri Akal, and welcome to the show. Khush Amdeed, Bhali Kare Aaya, Pakhar Ragle Vashattake, Ahlan wa Sahlan. Please match your watches with our studio's clock. This is 3:06 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:36 p.m. at India, 2:06 p.m. at United Arab Emirates, 6:06 a.m. in the morning as per Eastern Time in Washington DC, New York City, Toronto and other cities around this zone, which is also called GMT-4 or UTC-5, and this is 11:06 a.m. in the morning at United Kingdom. How are you folks? I hope you are doing good, and may God be always kind upon all of you, all of us. And let me start my today's show with this prayer and with this expression of thankfulness that, oh my Creator, oh my God, you are so much kind upon me, and there are crores of happinesses, joys given by yourself, and I thank you for hundreds of times. This is a Vai written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai and sung by Jamaluddin Faqir and his his companions. Here we go.
क्षण पागना कोड़े भाल करी मजा कोड़े भाल करी हाय हाय कोड़े भाल करी मजा कोड़े भाल करी बाबा कोड़े भाल करी ओ साजी कोड़े भाल करी हाय हाय कोड़े भाल करी ऐसे शुक्राना ओ ऐसे शुक्राना ऐसे शुक्राना ऐसे शुक्राना
कौड़े भाल करीम जा सैं शुक्राना. We were listening to this expression of thankfulness to the God, to the Creator, written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which was sung by Jamaluddin Faqir and their companions. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Indus Melodies, and we started this show with this melody. And this is a beautiful duet in the voices of Rona Laila and Muhammad Yusuf. And this is a dhamal, Ali Dam Dam Ali Ali. Let's listen to this dhamal.
जे मन भाई रब खे इन्नी तार कुमुल सकलहन खे तराजुआ में तोर हो बैठी सगो सोर अली जी औलाद जो.
Ali Damdam, Ali Ali, we were listening to this dhamal. This was a dhamal as well as a mankabat at a time, because most of the poetry which is sung, which is written in the glory of Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, one of the prominent saints from this land who actually belonged to Afghanistan, the present time Afghanistan, and he belonged to Marwan Sharif, and he kept exploring for the search of truth for whole of his life, and then he came to Sindh and remained here, stayed here, dwelled here for 6 months in Severn and around, and then he passed away here. And now Severn and Sindh is the identity of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, and he is the identity of this land and Severn. So most of the dhamals which are sung in the glory of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar also contain the praise of Hazrat Ali Karamallah Wajhu, the Khalifa Chaharam, the fourth Caliph of Islam, because he belongs, Lal Shahbaz Qalandar belongs ultimately to the family. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh London. And if you happen to listen this show for the very first time, let me share with you the mandate of this show, that this show is compiled to disseminate the aroma, the fragrance of this land, Sindh or Indus Valley civilization, through its songs. And the discussion about this land, about the literature, about the archaeology, about the anthropology, about the history, about the language and literature and people and anthros living on this land or lived on this land, but in English language for the comprehension of those who are unable to understand about the beauty of this land. So, our today's show will be including the voices of Manzoor Sakhirani, Mahjubin Qazalbash, Saif Samejo, Humaira Channa, Shaukat Ali, Bilqis Khanam, Jalal Chandio, Didar Hussain Samo, Khadim Sakhirani, and Mazhar Hussain. And as you know, that we included the voices of Jamaluddin Faqir and his companions, and Ustad Muhammad Yusuf and Runa Laila in the first and second songs of the show. The forthcoming song is sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, written by Ustad Bukhari, which says that everybody whom I love, including my siblings, my family, those are very much dear to me, those are very much adorable for me, but not more than you. You are the most adorable, you are the most important of all, oh my beloved. Let's listen to this. ये हयाती मिठड़ी डाढ़ी पर कुछ तो खां घट. I love my life but not more than you, because you are the one, you are the only individual on this planet whom I love more than everything, more than every relation of mine, even more than my life. These were the lyrics written by Ustad Bukhari and sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, which we just aired, which we just webcasted in Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And the forthcoming duet is not chosen from any film. This is a television song recorded for a television program of Pakistan Television Karachi Center, sung by Mahjabeen Qazalbash and Muhammad Yusuf, and written by Shamsheer Al-Haidari, which says that I adore you. And the question is asked out of innocence that what do you mean by love? Let's listen to this melody. I hope that you would love to listen to this melody. Here we go.
मुख तो सा प्यार आहे,
प्यार छाहे,
मुख तो सा प्यार आहे,
प्यार छाहे,
मुंहिंजी दिल थी तोखे चाहे, मुंहिंजी दिल थी तोखे चाहे,
दिल अंदर इसरार छाहे,
मुख तो सा प्यार आहे,
प्यार छाहे.
तो सा प्यार आहे,
प्यार छाहे.
दिल त आहे बाजो आस्तानो, प्यार तह में आहे कुदरत जो खजानो. दिल त आहे दिल बाजो आस्तानो, प्यार कहने आहे कुदरत जो खजानो जिंदगानी ये जवानी ये बहार छाहे उनके तो सा प्यार आहे
प्यार छाहे
दर्द वंडियूं मुस्कुरायूं दिलियूं गंढियूं दर्द वंडियूं मुस्कुरायूं केर जाने इन जहां जे पार छाहे उनके तो सा प्यार आहे
प्यार छाहे
उनके तो सा प्यार आहे
प्यार छाहे
मुझे दिल थी तो के चाहे मुझे दिल थी तो के चाहे
दिल अंदर इसरार छाहे
मुझे तो सा प्यार आहे
प्यार छाहे
Mukhe Tosa Pyar Aahe, Pyar Chahe. We were listening this tremendous duet by Mahjabin Qazalbash and Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, written by Shamsheerul Hadri. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Endless Melodies. This is me, Yasir Qazi, welcoming you to the show. This is 19th of June, and on 16th of June, just 2 days back, it was the death anniversary of Asandas, one of the prominent Sindhi poets. Let's listen to his poetry.
परदेस जा सूरज परन पोया लड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोया लड़े थो पियो वरड़ हुन वाट ते वेठल अग्यां जितिर रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोया लड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोया लड़े थो पियो वरड़ हुन वाट ते वेठल अग्यां जे तिरण रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोया लड़े थो पियो भला छा चऊं लगी वई लाड़ सां आलऊं अव्हां खे ॿियो भला छा चऊं असांखे इश्क सारिन जियां छंडे फूके छड़े थो पियो असांखे इश्क सारिन जियां छंडे फूके छड़े थो पियो वरण हुन वाट ते वेठल अॻियां जे तिरण रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोयां लड़े थो पियो हलिया ॿिया शहर पंहिंजे ॾे अभी मुर्गी मिली आख़िर हलिया ॿिया शहर पंहिंजे ॾे असांजी ॻाल्हि जे ग़लतां अञा ॻोढ़ो गड़े थो पियो असांजी ॻाल्हि जे ग़लतां अञा ॻोढ़ो गड़े थो पियो वरण हुन वाट ते वेठल अॻियां जे तिरण रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोयां लड़े थो पियो उमिर जे आंगुरन माटस फुलन वांगुर छणू था पिया उमिर जे आंगुरन माटस फुलन वांगुर छणू था पिया सजण सिगरेट सस्ते जान सजो माण्हू सड़े थो पियो सजण सिगरेट सस्ते जान सजो माण्हू सड़े थो पियो वरण हुन वाट ते वेठल अॻियां जे तिरण रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोयां लड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोयां लड़े थो पियो वरण हुन वाट ते वेठल अॻियां जे तिरण रड़े थो पियो पखी परदेस जा सूरज परन पोयां लड़े थो पियो लड़े थो
Pakhi pardes ja suraj lakan poya lade thopyo. Oh, the bird living on the lands which are too far away from here. Look, the sun sets behind the mountains. These were the lyrics written by Hassan Das and sung by Saif Samejo and his band, which is the Sketches. And this was this song was aired as a tribute to, as a homage to Hassan Das, a Sindhi poet of Sindh, belonged to Hothi Mashayikh village, which exists in the lower Sindh, lower part of Sindh. He died in a very early age. He departed due to a horrible accident at Hyderabad and he left at Hyderabad. And it was 2011, right 1 decade before, on 16th of June, Hassan Das left Sindh. So we paid a homage to Hassan Das by playing his song, by including his song, including his thought, his poetry in Indus Melodies. You are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this airs at 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time every Saturday. This is 19th of June as we are sharing with you again and again, and today's day is commemorated as the International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. 19th of June is commemorated as this day. International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, and tomorrow is World Refugee Day, and also this is the third Sunday of June, and this would be commemorated and celebrated as World Father's Day. And talking about yesterday, it was 18th of June and it was Sustainable Gastronomy Day, which was endorsed throughout the globe.
रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे मुल्क मथे रातब मीहड़ा वठा ओ रातब मीहड़ा वठा सुते लोग लतीफ चवे लालो लाल लतीफ चवे ख्वाब में डाठी डिठावना रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे मुल्क मथे रातब मीहड़ा वठा ओ रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे
This was the beautiful, tremendous poetry by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by Humaira Channa, and this was chosen from the melody of Marvi, Sur Marvi, which says that last night when it was raining, I was missing my family members and my land from where I am kidnapped and I am now locked. I am in chains at Umarkot and I am in the prison of Umar Sumro. We aired the song in Radio Voice of Sin London's weekly radio show Indus Melodies, and this is Shaukat Ali, which says that Vadhivai Pyas Paniya Ji, the water is itself so much thirsty. And this is not for the very first time when this metaphor is used as water being thirsty, but the greatest poet of this land, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, also stated that Je samudra mohnkyant surkyai mathe, I'm so much thirsty. I'm thirsty to a level that if I drink the whole ocean, I'll be still thirsty. So let's listen to Shaukat Ali.
पानी जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी वही प्यास पानी जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो पखिए जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी वही प्यास पानी जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी वही प्यास पानी जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी बारूद जी बदबू अमन जी आगलन में वही वधी बारूद जी बदबू थकी पई लाश वाठोए सदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे थकी पई लाश आठोए सदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो पखीअ जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे न शबनम जे कतरन आ छुहो सो जिस्म जो बन जो न शबनम जे कतरन आ छुहो सो जिस्म जो बन जो नई भवरना भेरा कलिए जो साह पियो घुटजे नई भवरना भेरा कलिए जो साह पियो घुटजे हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो पखीअ जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे गज़ल गीत नज़मन जो अखियूं हिन सोगवारीअ में गज़ल गीत नज़मन जो अखियूं हिन सोगवारीअ में उछन प्या दात जा ॾियड़ा कविअ जो साह पियो घुटजे उछन प्या दात जा ॾियड़ा कविअ जो साह पियो घुटजे हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो पखीअ जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह पियो घुटजे हज़ारे हादसा जागियो अञा प्यारा तजे रूह में हज़ारे हादसा जागिल सड़ी वट आवई सारी बत्ती है जो साह प्यो घुट जे सड़ी वट आवई सारी बत्ती है जो साह प्यो घुट जे हणे परड़ा थकी पहुतो हणी परड़ा थकी पहुतो पखीअ जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे वधी वई प्यास पाणीअ जी नदी है जो साह प्यो घुट जे
Badi Vai Pyas Pani Ji. This was Shaukat Ali, an emerging singer from the third part of Sindh. This was sung by Shaukat Ali, and this song was aired from Radio Voice of Sindh, London's weekly English radio show, Endless Melodies. This is Sahil Azad. Sahil Azad, one of the prominent lyricists of Sindh, being sung by Bilqis Khanam. Amaji Aadat Karn Bevafai. Let's listen to this tremendous melody, and I'll share with you the translation later.
कंदे
you're not loyal and you're habitual not to be loyal with anyone. This was the meaning of the lyrics written by Sahil Azad, which were sung by Bilqis Khanum, which we just aired in Radio Voice of Sindh London's Indus Melodies. And this is Indus Melodies, which means the melodies of Indus, and we welcome you to the show. And apart from this show, we meet each other in Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, 10 a.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. And this is the third meetup with you in Indus Melodies on Saturday. Today, June 19, is the birthday of the great Greek philosopher and polymath Aristotle, whom we call Arastu in Sindhi or Urdu. So Aristotle was born today in 384 BC before Christ. It was June 19th, 384. And this is the day when Hafiz Muhammad Ahsan Channa, one of the prominent poets of the conventional style of Sindhi ghazal and Sindhi poetry, died on this day, June 19th, in 1988. Let's listen to Jalal Chandio, and Jalal Chandio is one of the popular singers of this land, and Jalal Chandio has a great thing on his credit that before he was introduced to the listeners, there was the influence of the singers of other languages in the rural side of Sindh, of the land. But when he was introduced among the people, he replaced all those singers, and even in the tractors which were working in the fields, plowing the field and doing other works, the agricultural work, he was listened and heard in radio sets, in tape recorders. This was his voice, Jalal Chandio's voice, which was heard everywhere. So, he is singing a beautiful poetry by Ustad Bukhari, which says that you are always late and you don't care that while waiting for you, one can depart, one can die. Let's listen to this melody.
Da हवारी बाह में पवदे पतिया मां पचा सजड़ मुझी सकरात में पवदे लुछिया मां लुछा याकूब अली था हाल तू इदे पुछण या मां पुछा असी हाउल करे दिल लायूं नथा के लायूं था पछतायूं नथा वादे में घबरायो न था वो घाट वादे में घबरायो न था असा कम न कदायो एड़ो यार कटो वो तेरी देर करे था यार अचो वो केदी देर करे था यार अचो कथा सार न हो को जा बतो अञा ढोलण पई आहे गाल ढकी फलीदार हणन हर कार बकी अञा ढोलण पई आहे गाल ढकी पूरा पवंदा ओ तुरत थकी वो इहे पूरा पवंदा तुरत थकी जको हूं तो थको तो रह तो सचो वो तेरी देर करे यार अचो वो तेरी देर करे यार अचो वो तेरी देर करे यार अचो नथा सार लो को मोजा बतो वो तेरी देर करे सूर सिपाही ओ जो सदकन उठा दर दर्द नालू तू जरकन अजा सूर सिपाही ओ जो सदकन उठा दर दर्द नालू तू जरकन दुश्मन घोड़न ओ जाहिर कन वो पिता दुश्मन घोड़ ओ जाहिर कन कह दी हो अती हो लाल हो तो वो तेरी देर करे यार अचो वो तेरी देर करे यार अचो नथा सार लो को मोजा बतो वो सूर सिपाही ओ जो सदकन उठा दर दर्द नालू तू जरकन अच्छा दर्द दुनालू तू जरकल का दुश्मन घोड़न ओ जाहिर कनवो पिता दुश्मन घोड़ ओ जाहिर कल कह दी हो अटी हो लाए हो तो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो तेरी देर करे यार अचो नथा सार लहो को मोजा बचो तेरी देर करे आज यार बुखारी हो आयो जे मैं फिर के महकायो आज यार बुखारी हो आयो जे मैं फिर के महकायो हुक्म हुस्न फरमायो वो इहो हुक्म हुस्न फरमायो उठो साज खड़ो गायो राग न तो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो नथा सार लहो को मोजा बचो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो वो तेरी देर करिए यार अचो नथा सार लहो को मोजा बचो वो तेरी देर करिए
Jalal Chandio was singing the poetry of Ustad Bukhari. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London like every Saturday. Tomorrow is June 20, and June 20 is the birthday of Urdu intellectual and cultural expert and also movie actor and compeer Zia Muhyiddin, who was born in 1933 on June 20. And this is the death anniversary of Mushtaq Ahmad Yusufi, an eminent Urdu satire and humor writer, and he died in 2018 on June 20. So Mushtaq Ahmad Yusufi Sahab would be completing 3 years after being departed from us, or we would be completing 3 years after being departed from Mushtaq Ahmad Yusufi Sahab on June 20.
सारी आया सूरन सारी बंध पहाड़ी पेरे उघारी सारी आया सूरन सारी लकन मालोड़ी दी लकन मालोड़ी दी डूंगर डोरे दी डूंगर डोरे दी कायूं वञा थी के चले कायूं वञा थी के चले डूंगर सजण जी सीने समाई गंदन किरण कान नकाई सजण जी सीने समाई गंदन किरण कान नकाई पब मथा खोड़ी दी पब मथा खोड़ी दी डूंगरा डोरे दी डूंगरा डोरे दी आयूं वञा थी के चले आयूं वञा थी के चले डूंगरा डोरे दी डूंगरा डोरे दी गुल पियलवा सिक जो सगड़ो मींहुं बरो चसा आहे लगड़ो अली गुल पियलवा सिक जो सगड़ो मींहुं बरो चसा आहे लगड़ो वर पांजो वोड़ी पर पांजो वोड़ी दी डूंगरवा डोरे दी डूंगरवा डोरे दी आयूं वञा थी के चले आयूं वञा थी के चले डूंगरवा डोरे दी डूंगरवा डोरे दी
This was Deedar Hussain Samo who was singing this Kafi, and this Kafi was aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London's Indus Melodies. The Melodies of Indus being aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. Now I am requesting Khadim Sakhirani to remember the rains, the rainfall which was over this land, and now it doesn't happen to see such rains. This is Khadim Sakhirani singing this unique song. Here we go.
याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई भिटुनि ते गाह फुटंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा थींदा साह सुरगाहा प्रभु की मोर टुरंदा त थींदा साह सुरंदा जिगर में झांझ वजंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा त तुंहिंजी याद ईंदी हुई वतन ते मींह वसंदा।
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
All right, folks, all right, friends, all right, listeners and spectators of Radio Voice of St. London and Indus Melodies. This was edition number 42 of season number 1 of Radio Voice of St. London's weekly English radio show, Indus Melodies. And this is the time to wrap up the show and say you goodbye, bye-bye. But before we wrap up the show, let me share with you that if you want to extend your feedback about this show, about Suraj Shahun Kadiyon, about the other shows of Radio Voice of St. London being webcasted from Radio Voice of St. London, you can do so. Rather, you are welcome to do so, and we request you to do so. And for sending us the feedback, there are several ways, including A, you can mail us. Our email address is info@radiovoiceofsin.com. or djasirqazi@yahoo.com, djysirqazi@yahoo.com, or fmwyq946@gmail.com. B, you can follow us through Twitter. My Twitter handle is @RJ@RJYSIR, C. You can follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook is facebook.com/Radio Voice of Sindh or /DJ Asir Qazi, DJYSIR. D, you can visit, you can like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is with the name of Yasir Qazi YSIR, or if you want to write the address directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for the reception of all the notifications and choose all notifications among the 3 options, and you would be receiving all the notifications regarding all our broadcasts and the videos we upload. I would be concluding today's show with the poetry of Zafar Kazmi sung by Mazhar Hussain, which says that I love my language more than my existence, more than my life. And this is a song written out of the love for the land, for the language of this land. I'm grateful to Mr. Imdad Udho, the CEO of Radio Voice of St. London and the transmission in charge, and Mr. Sarvej Udho, the director of Radio Voice of St. London and transmission coordinator. I would be meeting you inshallah Aziz Bashar Tehat and Durus Ki Halat after the gap of 2 days on Tuesday, which would be 22nd of June 2021, Bashar Tehat and Durus Ki Halat. Till then, your host and executive producer of the show, Yasir Qazi, says you take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, aloha, over and out, Allah Nigehban.
सिंधी बोली सुहिणी लाख लहे लख सिंधी बोली सुहिणी लाख लहे लख क़ाइम जंहिंजे कुर्ब जा कमर चैठो कख क़ाइम जंहिंजे कुर्ब जा कमर चैठो कख क़ाइम जंहिंजे कुर्ब जा कमर चैठो कख पिरी करी परख पिरी करी परख लात सुञाण लतीफ़ जी मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां अमड़ दिली जा लोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां अमड़ दिली जा लोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली रंग रंगीली दुनिया तुझी रंग रंगीला माण्हू रंग रंगीली रंग रंगीली दुनिया तुझी रंग रंगीला माण्हू कोई कारो कोई गोरो कोई कारो कोई कारो कोई गोरो आए सबिल जी होली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली घोर वञा ओ घोर वञा मां आहियां दिल जी गोली घोर वञा घोर वञा ओ घोर वञा मां आहियां दिल जी गोली जिन जी हिकिड़ीअ घूर असांजे जिन जी हिकिड़ीअ घूर असांजे दिल जी खिड़की खोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली हाय अल्लाह से पिरी प्यारा कॾहिं रहबर थींदा हाय अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह से पिरी प्यारा कॾहिं रहबर थींदा दिल जे कारण ज़फ़र असां हीअ दिल जे कारण ज़फ़र असां हीअ जिंदड़ी ऋण में रोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां कीअं विसारियां अमड़ दिली जा लोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली मन ख मिठड़ी तन ख मिठड़ी मिठड़ी मुंहिंजी ॿोली
सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।